Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and we're gonna do lipstick today. Matter of fact, I'm fixing to try on all these Lis Eldridge lipsticks I love so much. I just got some new ones, but I'm gonna show you the old ones too. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm gonna start with the gloss. And this is Songbird and Lis Eldridge gloss. What do y'all think? We're gonna try on Lis Eldridge's Spirited Away. Really like this color, y'all. Been using it a lot. You can probably tell I've put it over some other colors. I do tend to do that. Can you see the stamp on there? Just great quality. Quality. Look at that. It's beautiful. Today we're going to try on Lis Eldridge's Painterly. Beautiful color. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Is that not just lovely? These are some of the new ones that I got. This is the Velvet Ribbon from Lis Eldridge. It is gorgeous, y'all. I don't know if you can see on there, but it has a velvet look to it. The lipstick looks velvety, y'all. It looks like you could touch in velvet. Beautiful. You'll tell I'm not good at this. Look at that. Just look at that. That is gorgeous. Lis Eldridge, this is Velvet Jazz. Now she just came out with a new launch, a bunch of new colors. I didn't get the new colors, but I kind of wanted to. But I did buy these, and I just think they are beautiful, these velvety ones. Pretty dark, but man, is it beautiful. I've been looking for that perfect red, and these are really good. Really good. What do y'all think? All right, so Lis Eldridge, this is Velvet Myth. Y'all ready for this? Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. All right, here we go. What do you think? Do you like the color? Let me know. Y'all, so when I went on Lis Eldridge and bought the 3 new colors that I just bought, I also got the matching liners. Now this was a new launch. She has launched all new liners to match all of her colors. She didn't have liners that matched everything before. So I'm just gonna put these on for you so you can see what the liners look like. This is Ribbon, Velvet Ribbon. Look how beautiful. I'm horrible at lining, just so you know. So there is the liner of Velvet Ribbon. Let me grab the ribbon and put it on. What do y'all think? Does it make a difference? Do you like to line? I don't know. I feel like I should because I'm getting older with the lines. But I just want to show y'all what it looks like. All right, this is Lis Eldridge. Which one is this? This is Jazz. And Jazz the lipstick. Lis Eldridge, my lips are starting to show all the lipstick I've been trying on. This is Myth. Myth lipstick. Orlando. What do y'all think?